Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoin Briefing YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to again check out SATO the dog product. So I had made the first video about this product, so make sure you watch the first video again if you had not watched that video. So in this video I am going to tell you about recent partnerships of SATO the dog with some footballers as well as Vision Football Club. So we will check it later into the video, but before starting the video I am going to give a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here we are on the website and you can check out SATO the dog. It's built on the base chain. The details and social media handles are given here. Let's give a small introduction, then we will check out the recent developments. SATO is decentralized meme coin born on base network and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, the project was revived by passionate community of holders who refused to let SATO fade into the obscurity. So now let's check out some of the recent developments. So guys, they had done celebrity endorsements for Vision Football Association. If you come on the Google and search Vision Football Factory, you can check out it's a sports club in Wilnecote in England. You can check out the address, phone number as well as the details are given here. So SATO the dog has officially signed a partnership deal with the Vision Football Factory. So this is really good. Also, if you're a football lover, you can be excited to know that they had also signed celebrity endorsement with the ex-Birmingham Football FC players, which is Troy Denny as well as Harley Dean. So let's check out Troy Denny. Troy Matthew Denny is an English professional footballer who plays as a striker. So he is now official partner of SATO the dog product. Also, you can check out Harley Dean. Harley James Dean is an English professional footballer who plays as central back, mostly with the EFL League One Racing Reading and many more. So now he is also an official partner of SATO the dog product. So this is really good. Now coming back to the website, you can check out the token details, contract address, as well as you can buy it on Uniswap. Check it out on CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap. You can check out the gallery as well as NFT features are available here. So guys, the team is working really hard onto this product. Also, I want to tell you that they had done a partnership with a charity organization which is Puerto Rico. They save dogs and help rescue dogs. So SATO the dog has partnered with them as well. And if you want to help and rescue dogs, you can get into this product as well and help dogs as well. So also, if you want to know more about the product, make sure you join their social media handles as well as and came to know more about the recent development. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.